Hello everyone, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. In this video, I'm going to make French fries using air fryer. What is a good French fries? They should be crunchy outside and soft inside. And with air fryer, it's very easy to make it that way. Let's get started. First, let's peel the potato. Okay, our peeled beautiful potato is ready. And now let's cut it. And first of all, please make sure that you have a bowl with water. It should be cold. So we're gonna cut the French fries and put them right inside to the water. Get the half of the potato, cut like this, like this, like this, here. Okay, great. And there is no need to rush anything. Okay, the cooking is all about the process, so you have to enjoy the process. Look, beautiful. We had only one russet potato, but look how big it is. Once we put our potato into the cold water, we can leave it to soak for 30 minutes, or if you don't have time, you can just wash it several times in cold water until the water is going to be clean. Okay, I washed potatoes several times and now they are ready for the next step. We have to pat them dry using a towel or paper towel. It doesn't matter. Okay, this is very important. We have to pat them dry. Looks good and ready. You have to have a dry bowl. Make sure that it's absolutely dry. There is no water in it. All right, that's great. The next step is seasoning. Here goes cooking oil. I'm going to use avocado oil. For the seasoning, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. You can also add pepper, garlic powder, paprika or chili flakes. It's up to you, the way you like it. Okay, while I like those bowls, I'm gonna just close it and shake it. Just 30 seconds. And now our potatoes are already very well seasoned and the oil also was distributed evenly. Now they are ready to be cooked. Okay, let's put our French fries into the air fryer. Make sure that to leave some space between them. As you can see, we still have a half and I'm gonna just put them at the top like this. Let's put them inside air fryer. Super crunchy, as you can hear that, and look delicious. Our super crunchy and delicious French fries are ready. They are a little bit burnt, but delicious. Very good. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment below. Your support means a lot. See you on the next one.